Hi, I'm Kitty. Me and my partner Tez, we run Penny's Place Corvid Sanctuary. Started 2 years ago with one magpie that came in with horrendous injuries to her legs. Didn't think she would survive, but she did. She's flourished. We then looked for some friends, and before we knew it, we now have about 100 corvids, so rooks, crows, jackdaws and magpies, with various different injuries. Some we have that will hopefully be released because they've recovered, or they had white wing and having to wait out growing out new feathers, but some are disabled and will be with us for life. We do it out of the goodness out of our heart. All self-funded. We are a kit, like a charity. We do have a couple of donations and monthly supporters. We have people that donate food, donate toys, donate papers. So yeah, anything would be awesome.